Most people get this wrong when trying to cancel a Walmart online order. They wait too long. They click the wrong section. Or they panic because the cancel button disappears. Here's the truth, no one tells you. Canceling a Walmart online order can be very easy. But only if you act fast. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to cancel a Walmart online order, step by step, when you can still cancel it, what to do if the cancel button is gone, and how to get your refund faster. So let's get straight into it. First, you need to understand one important thing. Not every Walmart order can be canceled. And this is where most people fail. Once an order starts processing or ships, cancellation may no longer be available. That means timing matters a lot. For example, Alex places an order and waits 3 hours. The item ships. Now he can't cancel it. Jake places an order and notices a mistake immediately. He cancels it within minutes. Jake saves time and avoids hassle. So step 1 is simple. Open the Walmart app or go to Walmart's website. Sign in to your account. Make sure it's the same account used to place the order. This matters. If you use the wrong account, you may not see the order. Now once you're logged in, go to your account section. Look for Order History, Purchase History, Update, or My Orders. Tap it. There you'll see your recent orders. Find the order you want to cancel. Tap on it. Now here's where it gets interesting. If the order is still eligible, you may see a Cancel Order button or Cancel Items option. Tap it. Then choose the item or items you want to cancel. Some orders allow full cancellation. Others allow partial cancellation. For example, John orders groceries and electronics. He only wants to cancel the electronics. He selects just that item. Simple. Now review the cancellation request. Confirm it. That's it. Your cancellation request is submitted. Now in a minute, I'll show you what to do if the cancel button is missing. Because this happens a lot. Before that, let's talk about order status. Your order may show statuses like placed, preparing, processing, shipped, delivered. If it says placed, cancellation is easier. If it says preparing or processing, it may still be possible. If it says shipped, that's where the problem starts. Usually, shipped orders cannot be canceled. Instead, you may need to return the item after delivery. This is where most people fail. They wait too long. Now let's talk about refunds. If your order is canceled successfully, Walmart usually processes a refund. The time depends on payment method. Credit card refunds may take a few business days. Debit card refunds may take several days. Gift card refunds may be faster. PayPal refunds vary. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if Walmart cancels instantly, your bank may take longer to show the refund. So, don't panic. Wait a bit. For example, Alex cancels today. He expects instant money. His bank shows it after 3 days. That's normal. Now let's talk about missing cancel buttons. If the cancel button is gone, here are possible reasons. The order already shipped. The order is too far into processing. The item is from a third-party seller. Or there's an app glitch. Try refreshing the app. Or use the website. Sometimes the website shows options the app doesn't. Simple fix. Now here's the problem. Third-party seller items may have different cancellation rules. Always check the seller policy. This is where most people fail. They assume all Walmart orders work the same way. Now let's talk about contacting support. If you can't cancel online, contact Walmart customer support immediately. Use live chat, phone, or help center. Provide order number, item name, reason for cancellation. The faster you contact them, the better your chances. For example, John can't find the cancel button. He contacts support quickly. Support stops the order before shipping. Problem solved. Now, let's talk about grocery orders. Grocery pickup or delivery orders may have different cancellation timing. You may need to cancel before the shopping process starts. Once the store begins preparing the order, cancellation may be harder. So act fast. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some items like digital products or subscriptions may not be cancelable after purchase. Read the order details carefully. Now let's compare two users. Alex notices he ordered the wrong size TV die. He waits until the next morning. Too late. Shipped. Jake notices the mistake immediately. Cancels in 2 minutes. Jake saves himself the return process. Simple. Now let's quickly recap the steps. Open Walmart app or website. Sign in. Go to order history. Find your order. Tap it. Select cancel order or cancel items. Confirm cancellation. Check refund status. If the button is missing, contact support fast. That's the full process. Simple once you know the steps. Now here's the easiest way to avoid needing cancellation in the first place. Double check your cart before ordering. Check item, size, color, quantity, address, delivery option. This saves time. Now let's answer a common question. Can you cancel after shipping? Usually, no. You'll likely need to wait for delivery, and then request a return, or refuse the package if possible. Now you know exactly how to cancel a Walmart online order. No confusion. No wasted time. Just the fastest and smartest way. If this video helped you cancel your Walmart order, hit the like button. Comment below if you canceled successfully, or if your item already shipped. And if you want more Walmart tutorials and easy step-by-step guides, subscribe now so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.